This is a Metrohm Burette. The Metrohm Burette can be used to accurately titrate liquids. It consists of the following parts. Here at the back is a stock vessel. Here's the solution that you use for titrating. From the stock vessel, there's a tube that goes to the valve housing. The valve housing connects the tube with the piston below. In the valve housing, there's a tap that connects the tube and the piston, or the piston with the tube that leads to the reaction vessel. The piston sucks liquid from the stock vessel and squirts it into the reaction vessel. It's controlled with the thumb wheel here below on the burette. The thumb wheel is connected with a scale that shows how much liquid is in the piston and how much is squirted towards the reaction vessel. The scale here below is in milliliters and shows approximately how many milliliters you've titrated. And above it, there's a scale which shows the tenths and hundredths of a milliliter. To start, draw the liquid from the stock vessel into the piston. For this, check if the tap is turned left and connects the stock vessel with the piston. Turn the thumb wheel to transfer liquid to the piston. As you can see, the piston moves outwards and fills with liquid. Continue until the piston is completely filled. Put the burette in the titration position when the piston is completely filled by turning the tap to the right. Press the tap firmly to prevent the formation of any air bubbles in the valve housing. As you can see, there's now a connection from the piston to the tube that goes to the reaction vessel. First, this tube needs to be rinsed to remove any air bubbles. Remove the tube from the vessel and turn the wheel until the tube is filled only with liquid. When all air bubbles are removed, place the tube back in the vessel. Now you can start titrating. Place the tube above the reaction vessel. And fix it into position with a clamp. Turn the magnetic stirrer on to ensure a correct mixing of the reaction vessel during titration. This is very important since the liquid that you add needs to be mixed immediately throughout the complete solution that is present in the reaction vessel. Then you can read the starting volume from the scale on the burette. In this case it is 0.33 milliliter. Now you can start titrating. Perform this by carefully turning the wheel. When you finish, check the end volume from the scale on the burette. In this case, 4.12 milliliters.